All right, good afternoon, everybody. Like I said in the last video, I'm creating my own recipe catalog, by using the Instapot and things that I experiment around with that I think are great recipes. I put them out there for, friends and relatives, and it creates kind of like a Cardex of things that I can go back to real easily just by going to my channel and looking up the recipe, and you can too. So what is today's topic? We're talking about cilantro rice. Is it good? It's really good, okay? And it's a nice twist to just the bland taste of rice. I mean, of course, you can put gravy and lots of things on rice, but let me show you what I did. Okay, so right here is the recipe and your list of ingredients that you need to buy. And you actually, if you look at step 8, you don't put the cilantro in, till the very last, and then you stir it up real good, and then I would let it sit for like an additional several minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes after you've stirred in the cilantro, at the very end. Now, well, again, I didn't put it on this one. I would coat the inside of that Instapot with some kind of like spray oil or something like that, because it makes the cleanup real easy. I mean, after, you're done cooking. I mean, otherwise you end up, like I said in the previous video, having to soak it for a while in water before it, loosens up. Now, the other thing that you can do, and I've done this also, is you can use chicken broth. Now, in the case of the cilantro white rice, I've made it both ways. Some people favor it without the chicken broth. Some people like it with the chicken broth. Now, I said that in the last video when we did the jasmine rice, okay? And then you want to get a small lime. Now, some of the people say, you should only use like about half of the lime. You just buy a small lime and use a spoon and juice it right on into the pot. Stir it all up, 5 minutes, and there you go. Now, in step 2 up here, you see where I add a little extra more water because I like the rice that I make fluffy. Now, some people don't. All right, so I hope you folks like these quick recipes. If you know of something better, put in the comment below. I hope you click subscribe, keep following me, and remember, you can always refer back to this anytime you want for your list of ingredients. I'll see you folks on the next video. We'll keep doing these. Let me know if you like them. Bye-bye.